What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So we back in. We got the wireless car charger today by a company called Powr. You see that on the top right there, company called Powr. Alright, actually before I get into the product, t-shirt campaign still going on. Address 888-C 8th Avenue, New York, New York 10019, suite number 225. Send your t-shirts, your articles, your hats, your sweaters, your scarves. Send them there. T-shirt campaign still going on. I'm calling it the t-shirt campaign, but we doing all articles of clothing. Send your clothing there. Obviously, we still with the Lifestyle Tech channel. We still got the lifestyle products coming. We got the t-shirts coming. We got the electronics coming. It is what it is. We still moving. Everybody that's been supporting the channel, watching, chilling in the cut, subscribing, doing whatever you do, I appreciate it. If you're not entertained, just sit back and be entertained. It is what it is. Let's do it. Wireless car charger. All phones nowadays pretty much have wireless charging on them, whether you got an Apple, whether you got an Android. Most phones nowadays do have wireless charging capabilities. So this right here, you don't have to be fumbling around with the wires in your car or whatever. So I saw this, I was scrolling through, I guess Instagram or the internet, whatever I was doing. And I saw this and I was like, alright, whatever, let me try this out. I think it goes for like 35 bucks. Company is called Powr. Check that out. That's the company's name. Powr. Wireless car charger. I didn't open it up yet because as we do on this channel, we focus on one product at a time and we just check it out as we go. If we like it, we like it. We don't, we don't. Well, I should say if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. And the mission is to just spread the knowledge for the product, get you to buy it. I'm not, sponsored by this company nor any companies that I've had on the channel so far. I'm just doing this. I love the tech. I'm a tech head, so I'm just sharing the knowledge with you guys. And on the t-shirt tip, obviously shameless plug right there. Those are the t-shirts. The number one staple t-shirt right there. The Trust God, Love Family, and Stay Focused t-shirts. Those are always on deck. If you're interested, hit me up. Go to the website, sofocused.biz. Alright, let's do it. Enough of that, let's get into the product. Wireless car charger. Let me get a knife, let me open this. So, wireless car charger on the back. What you get in the box. Wireless gravity car charger, vent mount, dash, windshield mount, USB power cord, and USB cigarette adapter plug. So, hold on, let me zoom in for that so y'all can see that. Boom, right there. So that's all you get in the box. So, let's get into it and let's see how this product works. So, open it up, see how the presentation look. Yeah, like I said, I think this thing was like 35 bucks. It didn't take no time to ship. It was here. Ordered it one day. Came in the mail maybe like 3 days later. So here's the manuals. You can read through the manuals if you want. Pause that, read it for yourself. You got the windshield dash mount. It's adjustable, angle adjusted knob, remove plastic film, 360. You shove that in the vent. You put that on where your air conditioner come out. We could figure all of that out. Anything else? Nope, that's about it. We read the instructions, that's it. So this is the product right here. So this I probably won't be using, but I'll keep it in the car anyway. It's a dash mount. You put it on the glass, and then you just have you put this in like this. Loosen that up. Put that in, hit a click, and you tighten it up. and then you just rock out like that. So this will stick to your windshield, and then you would tighten it up so it won't move, and then you would tighten that up in the back, and it's like a suction cup. Take the plastic off, put that on your windshield, suction cup, and that stays on it like that. But what intrigued me about this product was this function right here. Hold on, let's see what else is in the box, even though we checked that out. So you got your plug. Even if for nothing else, you get, they threw in the cigarette lighter plug. So you got your plug. You got your adapter. It's USB, mini USB plug. It's kind of got some length on it. And then you got your vent holder. So this will go, you can replace this with this. Instead of this, you would just put that in there like that. Then it has the vent holder. You push the button, and it just, you see how that opens up? And that goes right until where your air conditioning and all that stuff come out of. So, but what intrigued me about this item was this. I'm sorry for that. So, this is a unit right here. So pretty much, it's the Powr. Let's zoom in on that. So it's the Powr and it's fast charging. So if you get in a car, you're not going a long distance, you get in your car, you want to charge your phone up real quick, boom, you charge it up and you just get up and go. So you will plug it in. Let me just tighten this up so we get a good effect on how this is rocking. So that's the Powr logo, and then Powr with the fast charging. So let me get my phone so we can do a real live view of this, so we can see that it's charging up and everything. So this ain't no, on this channel we do everything as is. So you getting it while I'm getting it. So I want to see if it works. If you want, you go out and buy it for yourself. You do what you do. It is what it is. So I got the Note 9. I don't even think that matters, but we're gonna see what's up. All right, so that's my phone right there. So let's go into like let's say the Waze app. This is an app that you could choose to, obviously, whatever, navigation app. Let's put it like that. So let's plug this in. So right on the bottom of this right here, you plug it in. So it goes in right down there just like that. And then you got to get a little plug over here. Let me plug this in. Everything real time here, no BS. We're gonna make sure this works, and then we're gonna rock out like that. Alright, so like I said, wireless fast charger. So when you plug this in, you're gonna plug it in and it's supposed to charge up your phone ASAP. Let's see if that works. So you put your phone in. I gotta charge a phone case on mine anyway. Boom. Just like that, it's charging my phone up. I don't know if you can see that. Right at the top right there, showing my phone is charging. Let's do it again. So you're going to take your phone out, grab your phone, put it right on there, charging up the phone. Now I like that. Now you're not fumbling with no wires, trying to put it in the bottom, whatever you're doing. Now you just rocking out straight up. Get a better look at that. Let's try it again, so show it ain't a fluke. Powr, fast charging. You get in your car, that's going to be hanging like that on your dash, wherever. If you choose to use that, that's going to be hanging off your windshield. So it's going to be faced like that towards you. But for demonstrational purposes, we're going to put it up like that. so that will be facing you when you step in your car. So you just slide your phone in, it grabs it, and it starts charging your phone. You can't beat that. That's dope right there. Done. And I don't know if you're noticing how it grabs your phone. See how that opens up? Just peep the handles right there when you put it in. I'm going to do this from the top. Look at the handles on the side. Grabs your phone. And it just starts charging. Can't beat that. That's the reason why I bought this. I was like, that's not going to work. And you can see my phone is charging right there at the top. Red light means it's charging. Not a fluke. Take it out again. Let's do that again. Check it out. Right there. It's going to grab the phone and it's charging. Just like that. I'm feeling this. You're going to be hanging from your dash just like that. And you can see who's calling you. You can see your directions, wherever you're going. The Waze app, whatever you're looking at. You can see all that. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be tight like that in your phone. You just tighten it up. Boom. It's charging your phone. I like using my phone like this all the time anyway. So that's how I'm going to rock out with it. Boom. Grabs the phone. Charges it up. Fast charging on deck. Alright. So once again, that's the Powr fast charging car charger. Company right there. $35. My personal opinion, you can't go wrong. Check it out. If you like it, you like it. You don't, just sit back and be entertained. It is what it is. Everything ain't for everybody. Like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.